What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So the question is that what is the best way to develop a web application? Yes, what is the best way to develop a web application? To develop a okay, the best way to develop a web application is learn the basic HTML, CSS, and then the JavaScript with a scripting language such as Python. But if you're not develop like rapidly fast, you already have some experience in programming, develop with Angular JS. I'm a big fan of Angular JS. It's a framework of JavaScript. I mean, I really love Angular JS, to be honest with you. At the end of the day, yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I think so. Web apps are the future. I mean, I don't like using apps on my phone. I am just an old guy. Love using web apps. Love using the web browsing. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Agik. If you have any more question, do not forget to subscribe and bye.